Let us observe and learn. Arrange in ascending order. Here 0.5, 0.530, 0.35, 0.05. Now step 1, change all to like fractions. Here the biggest positions number is 0.530. For the rest of the numbers only one position or two positions are there, like 10th position, 100th position. There is no 1000th position. So we have to make as like fractions. That means we have to add the zeros wherever it is needed. Suppose here 0.5. Here only 10th position is there. But here the bigger number is having 10th position, 100th position and 1000th position. So we have to write 0.500. We added two more positions here. Now the next number 0.530. Now the next number 0.350, 0.050. Now step 2, compare the number ignoring the decimal point. Now 500, 530, 350, 050. Now we have to write like 050 is less than 350. Now 350 is less than 500. 500 is less than 530. Now in ascending order means small to big we have to write. Ascending order is 0.05, 0.35, 0.5 and 0.530 we have to write from small to big. Now see, arranging in descending order. 1.37, 1.47, 1.7, 1.407 and 107. 1.07 is there. Now steps how we have to write is change all to the like fractions. Example 1.370. We have to give the positions like 10th, 100th and 1000th places. We have to give because the bigger number is here what? 1.407. Rest of the some numbers also we have to give the positions. That is 1.370, 1.470, 1.700, 1.407 and 1.070. Now step 2. Remove the decimals and write. Here 1370, 1470, 1700, 1407 and 1070. Now here 1070 is less than 1370 and 1370 is less than 1407. 1407 is less than 1470. 1470 is less than 1700. Now descending order means you know that we have to write from big to small. So here 1.7, next 1.47, 1.407, 1.37 and 1.07. Now let us do it. This change the set of decimals into like decimals, that you can do it as a practice. You can do it on your own and put the correct signs, that is greater than, less than or equal to. This also you can do it as your own. And here the third question is arrange in ascending order. This also you can do. Just now we learned ascending order and the descending order, you do it on your own. Now move to addition and subtraction of decimals. Here we add decimals in the same way as we do whole numbers. We arrange the numbers in such a way that the decimals lie in a column, one below the other. That means good to change the decimals into like decimals before arranging them. For example, here they have given question, add 7.83, 12.5 and 3.175. Change to like decimals now. 7.830, 12.500, 3.175. Now arrange one below the other and add. Carry over if it is necessary. First we have to check the positions of a number. Here what is the position? After the decimal is 1000th position is there, 100th position is there and 10th position is there. And in the place values we have ones, tens and hundreds. Now first we have to add the right to left we have to add. So 1000th position, if we add 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Likewise 100th position and write the answer. Now 10th position, right? Here 3 plus 7 is 10. 0 you put and carry over 1 and add this 1 in 10th position. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So write 5 and carry over 1 to the place value house of ones. And here 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 3 you write in one column and carry over 1 to the 10th place in the place value house. So here 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 23.505. Now move to the next page. Add 0.75, 173.8 and 5.328. So same likewise, step 1 we have to make into like decimals. So here 0.750, 173.800, 5.328. Now step 2, arrange in vertical form and add the 1000th, 100th, 10th positions and move to the place value house of ones, tens and hundreds and add. If we add, our total answer is 179.878. See here, able to see the answer? Yes, this is the answer we got. Now move to the subtraction. We subtract decimals in the same way we subtract the whole numbers. That means decimals into, we have to change like decimals and then subtract. Now here subtraction, example 17.83 from 29.3. Now change to like decimals. That means we have to add the positions wherever required. For example, here see 17.83 and 29.30. Now arrange into vertical positions, numbers given and subtract. Here in the 100th position 0 is there. So we have to borrow from 10th position value. Here 3 is there. So if you borrow 1 from 3, this 0 will become 10, right? So 10 minus 3 is 7 and again if here 2 remains. Now borrow from one's place value house of ones. Now here 9 is there. If we borrowed 1 to the 10th position, this one's place value house, here 8 will be there. Now in the 10th position 12 it becomes. 12 minus 8 is 4. Likewise you do 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Our answer is 11.47. Now the second sum also same. Like see, from 178.3 subtract 93.492. Change into like decimals and arrange into vertical form. From 178.300 subtract 93.492. That means we have to change to like decimals, right? That means what is here? 178.300 minus 93.492. Now if we do the subtraction, we will get the answer as 84.808. Now move to the simplification. Here simplify 7.8 plus 3.11 minus 2.05. That means first we have to add first these two addition numbers. That means 7.8 plus 3.11. If we add, our answer is 10.91. Now from 10.91 we have to subtract minus 2.05. So if we do the subtraction, then answer comes as 8.86. Able to see here 8.86. Okay, likewise the second example here, simplify 8.05 minus 3.25, then add 0.20. That means if you have to do 8.05 minus 3.25, first what we have to do, we have to subtract. Okay, then if we subtract, we will get the answer as 4.80. Now this 4.80 plus 0.20. If we add, then our answer is 5. So the total answer is 5 now. Now let us do it. Add the following, subtract the following, simplify. You can do as a practice. Thank you children. Take care.